Sanibona bafethu ufanele. So igame elandelayo iOrlando Pirates bayodlala against iSwelele FC. Iswelele ke bafethu siyazi le iclub lesasanda kuformwa. Iformwa nje after iSuperSport United idayisile istatus sayo. So iSwelele sasithatha istatus kwashintsha kwabe club edlala le Bloemfontein esekuyiswelele FC. So le game lezo bidlalwe eToyota Stadium. So nayi mini lineup engayishama sengithola ithuba bafethu. Nawe ngitshela ama comments eyipi lineup ongayishama wasuthola ithuba. Orlando Pirates ke bafethu izodlala nje kule nkundla le adi idlala kuyona ngosikhathi ade idlala against iLoyoli FC. So abahambanga kakhulu basakhona le Bloem balindele game le bazoyidlala futhi kusasa. Bafethu angifuna ukushintsha kakhulu emuva ngizoqalisa uSipho Chain. The reason why ngimqalisa uSipho Chain, this is a league game. This is a league game. I know Orlando Pirates yenza kahle kule insuku. I know Orlando Pirates kumele itu ugrestisa abanye abadlali. But bafethu lento ugresta abadlali ayikho nice for i-team. Yabo for i-team ayikho mnandi lento le. So kumele sibe consistent. Yabo kwi lineup yethu kumele sibe consistent. Kubadlali sibafaka kumele sibe consistent. For me Sipho Chain is the only player I can put lapha emuva as a goalkeeper for now because akali imali. Yabo maybe ke i-team mi winner ngam introduce mhlawumbe udladla, introduce mhlawumbe Buthelezi athola ama minutes second half. But le lineup le ngizoyikhetha mina i lineup engifuna ngqo ukuthi sithole u3 points ngayo. Siyawudinga u3 points kumele sisuke le ezansi ko number 9 siye le yabo ko number 5 number 4 lapho even number 1 sokuthi ama center backs engawadlalisa bafethu Siyema eNdumbokazi. For me kumele siqhubeke sibe consistent in putting these players. Two of these players kumele siqhubeke sibadlalise labajida labo 2 bazosisa far as Orlando Pirates. As Orlando Pirates sizoya far uma siqhubeka sidlala labadlalisa labajida. So I don't think kumele ngikhulume kakhulu Siyema eNdumbokazi ibona abajida ngizobaqalisa emuva but ke wena ungangitshela lapha kuma comments obani ongabaqalisa. For me these guys kumele baqale. Maybe ke second half singamintroduce uSibisi, maybe second half singaintroduce lawo naloyo yabo, but for me I'll start these two. Mase kuthi kuma wing backs same story. I don't wanna talk a lot. Ngaqalisa bafethu Lebitso right wing back ngamqalisa Lebitso. We need a win against iSwelele yabo, akumele sifaka abadlali abajwayele ukudlala ngaleyo ndlela. We need a win against iSwelele. So I'll put uLebitso as a right wing back. Mase kuthi i-left wing back I'll put uDion Hotto. Dion Hotto is another player bafethu odlala kamnandi yabo, udlala kamnandi uDion Hotto, even though sometimes umjida buya shaya nje into enga understandeki, but ke I'll trust him to put on a 10 out of 10 performance against iSwelele yabo. So iyona back four mina le ngayidlalisa iconsistency bafethu sayidinga ibe khona. Masubheke nje le back four le ibikhona vele idlala against iLoyoli FC. So angomele shintshe into eziningi abajida vele bayijwayele le yankundla ibingekho mnandi first half. So they all know ukuthi kumele ba expecteni mase bodlala against iSwelele bodlala kwinkundla engekho right. Eswini endishini bafethu number 6 wami ngaqalisa abantu uSihle Ndulu yabo. Sihle Ndulu bekhona last game, so I expect him to play a little bit better kule game esoyidlala against iSwelele. iSwelele FC sanenkinga, so akumele sibe nenkinga nathi mase siyodlala nabo yabo. Akumele sikhombise ukuthi siyabesaba, asibesabi yiloko nje abantu engifuna bakwazi, asibesabi. So kumele sikhombise ukuthi thina siyazi into esizoyenza, so thatha u3 points siyadlula yabo. Akumele nje first half yabona into engikhalela kakhulu first half vele idlalise kwe team esingaya engalazi ibhola. Mase sibuya second half sibuyisa kwenye team. So first half kumele senze show ukuthi siyayifinisha nje igame siyayigqiba. Mase kuthi ke second half yilapho khona so introduce the players who don't usually play yabo. So naye umuntu uSihle Ndulu ngamqalisa lapho izinamba. Mase ukuthi abadlali abazodlala phambili kwakhe it may be controversial, abanye abantu ngeke bayithande lento le, but mina I would start Umbatha benalomjeda lo belomfukeng uzo number 10. I'll start Umbatha benomfukeng uzo number 10. Umbatha for me he plays well with uSihle Ndulu. Esiswini kumele siqine. These teams they know ukuthi bayodlala against Orlando Pirates. They know Orlando Pirates yalimove kakhulu ibhola esiswini. So kumele sifake abadlali lapha abathoqina kancane with Umfukeng who is playing very very good as number 10. Each and every game Umfukeng ngimbona edlala uzo number 10. Umjida uyayimisela udlala kamnandi. So I trust Umfukeng to play well in that number 10 position. But you can tell me which position do you think Mfukeng kumele ayidlale kusasa against Isiwelele? Do you think Mfukeng kumele ayiqale igame yakusasa noma kumele aqale ebenchini? For me, he played well against Ilayoli FC, so he deserves to start as a number 10 because last game he played as a number 10 better than he played as a winger. Yebo, so I trust him to play again against Isiwelele kamnandi lapha. But kwangitshela amakhoma ukuthi kuma-wingers amafethu same story. Moremi, I like Moremi bafethu. He played very well against Ilayoli FC. He even gave i-assist kuSina Police, so abajida bayakwazi ukuplementana mebedlala ndawonye. So kule game le, why not start these boys about two? Why not why ngabaqalisi about two kule game? So I'll start both of them kule game le bafethu. Ngiqalisa uMoremi as i-right winger, ngihlalise uSibelebele ebenchini kancane mase ngiqalisa uSina Police as i-left winger bafethu. Ngifuna nje ukuyi-attack nje le game, si-attack nje. Yabo, singaze siye lena le. Yabo, kumele siyi-attack. Kumele nje le game ibulwale first half. Mesa ibulala first half le game le Isiwelele FC sizokwazi ukuthi mhlambe sikwazi usinqoba second half, introduce abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala. Mhlambe ke you can tell otherwise kuma comments wangitshela okunye, but ke for me I think so far isona scheme sami lesemuva back 4-3 swing 2 so far. Sekuthi striker ngasiqalisa Tsegofaso Mabasa. I don't want to speak a lot on the guy. Umjidi uyawazi umsebenzi wakhe. We saw him scoring 3 goals in the last 2 games esiwadlalile, so I want to see a lot of Tsegofaso Mabasa, yabo. So if nje ubona nje lama mdlala ngibafakile around him, abajida bayakwazi ukuthi bamprovide ibhola semawusihle Nduli, uyakwazi ukuthi ayise ibhola phambili, ashaye lama passes lawa, akwazi ukubreak i-defense. Mfukeng same thing, Mfukeng uyakwazi ukudlala, talent embatha, uzokwazi usiprovidela nalawo ma-passes lawa akhe amnandi. Tsepa Moremi with ama-cross, uSina Police with ama-cross, sniper phambili uyayazi umsebenzi wakhe. So far isona mina isquad engasiqalisa against Isiwelele. Ungangitshela ama-comments wena sithini esakho isquad ongasiqalisa against Isiwelele. Yabo, uvane lo bafethu, ngiyabonga kakhulu support.